lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra and here we are back with the new video. Yay! Oh my god, I almost forgot how to do that. I haven't done a video in such a long time. I've had a very long break, but I'm back here again, and today I just want to do a little talk with you, get ready with me, just so we can talk about things and see how I'm doing, how you guys are doing. Leave it down in the comments down below. And yeah, today I'm just gonna do simple. I always say simple, but I go overboard. A simple everyday makeup look, and I just took a shower. I just put some moisturizer on, and the moisturizer I'm currently using is this Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and I love it. It's bomb. I'm almost done with it actually, so I need to get a new one. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's prime. What should I use today? I'll just use my handy dandy Smashbox primer. This one's a sample size. So today is January 11th, and I have a week before I have to get back to school. I start January 23rd, so about a week, a little bit more. And hopefully, well, as I set my schedule, I have 6 classes, which is crazy for this semester. But if I do good and I pass my classes, I will be done this semester, so I will graduate in May. And that's what I want. I want to be done with school already. I've gone to school too many years, and I want to be done with it. But yeah, it's gonna be a tough semester, so I don't know how I'm gonna do with the videos, because schoolwork and work and then videos. So for foundation, I'm gonna use this MAC Pro Long Wear foundation in the color NC44. So with my beauty blender. And yeah, I haven't told my sister that I'm gonna be like busy. Oh, I forgot. I forgot something. I have these scars, so I had come tone them down with the orange collector. This is by Elf orange stick. Just go over it a little. Yeah, and well, I haven't told my sister, especially because on Mondays I'm gonna have a full schedule, so I'm gonna be in school all day, like 12 hours practically, because I have class from 9:30 in the morning to 9 at night. That's crazy. But the good thing is it's only going to be on Mondays. And on Tuesdays, I'm only going to have one class from 4 to 5:15. Wednesday, I think I have 2 classes, like from 2 to 5. And on Thursday, I have 2 classes. No, Thursday, yeah, I have, I think, 1 class. Pretty sure it's 1 from 4 to 5:15. So my week's not gonna be that heavy. It's just that Monday is gonna be heavy AF. And I haven't told my sister because I take my little nephew to school every day. He starts at 11:30, and my sister goes to work every morning at 8. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I haven't told her. I need to talk to her to see how we can do things, because I know I want to finish. I know she wants me to finish, and it's time for me to finish. And this semester, cross my fingers, it will be done. Okay, so I'm done with foundation, and I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna highlight under my eyes a little, because your girl hasn't been sleeping lately. I sleep really late and I have to wake up early. No, but And my eyes, well, right now the foundation did a pretty good job at covering up my under eye. But I'm just gonna brighten them a little, just a little. I don't want to do too much makeup. So yeah, and well, over break, over like Christmas, for Christmas and New Year's, I actually went on a trip. I went to visit my sister, my family, my dad over at Colorado Springs, and I had a really good time. I miss them like crazy. I miss my sister. She took me out. We went out to eat and movies and shopping. If you're watching this, I love you, girl. Anyway. And yeah, it was fun. I was there for like 10 days. I think 10 days. And I was with my cousins. My cousin's quinceañera was on New Year's Eve. And we had a blast. I have a vlog that I haven't edited yet. Vlogs are hard to edit. But what I'm doing is gonna bake my whole face, and I'm gonna look kind of funny. But what I've noticed is that if I leave this, like the setting powder on my face, for a while, while I do my eyebrows, a little bit of my eye, if I do other things while I do my makeup, I leave the setting spray on, and my foundation lasts much longer. And my face is less oily. So I will do my eyebrows now while I leave this on. If I can find my eyebrow brush. I always lose it somehow. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm in processing. Well, I haven't started yet. But I think I will upload this video first. And then I will do the vlogs. Just because the vlogs take much harder to edit. But yeah, you guys will see a couple of my trip over there. It snowed actually a day, just one day for like a couple minutes. It snowed, and then it didn't snow again. So I was like bummed, but also happy because I don't like snow that much. I don't like the cold, but I did one eyebrow. Kind of just went poof. But I'll fix it with concealer right now when I do the other one. So yeah. And then what else have we done? Right now I have an online class. It's History 352, Mexico in the past, present, and future. And that class is actually pretty easy, but I'm such a big procrastinator. I hate myself. And I have an essay due today, by the way. It's only 500 words, but still. Okay. I need to fix my eyebrows. Because, you know, they don't look... In camera, really look pretty good, I have to say. But up close, it's like, hell no. Here we go. Now all I'm gonna do is fix my eyebrows. Okay. Yeah. And well, I have nothing else planned for the rest of break. I just want to chill it out, because I know starting class I'm gonna be busy. My God, this is chaos. Yeah, my eyebrows are done after a while suffering. I don't know why. Having a hard time. My hands are now like full of foundation and shit. Okay, let me take this powder off so I don't look like a ghost. There we go. There we go. Okay. Gonna bronze up a little, and for bronzer I'm gonna use this, my new favorite, Makeup Yake in 20. It's like this. So yeah, my family didn't really give presents for Christmas this year. And I think that was because they said because of the quinceañera, then blah blah blah. But I think my theory is it was because there were too many of us. Like, too many. In total, cousins over there is, I think I have, okay, with my one uncle I have 3 and 1 in the way, so that's 4. My other uncle has 2, so that's 7. My other uncle has 2, so that's 7, 8, 9. My dad with my sisters, us included, are 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So there's 14 cousins. Or well, yeah, like younger kids. And I think they just didn't want to give anyone because there were too many. I get it, but I wanted a gift for Christmas. Oh, maybe next year. This year wasn't so lucky. And blush, I'm using Tarte. This is my favorite color actually. It's in Pate. So yeah, my birthday is coming up. I'm turning 25. How exciting. Not really, because I'm old AF. I'm getting so old, guys. I'm so old. It's embarrassing. I'm actually the second oldest of grandchildren from my dad's side. Yeah, that's fun. Wait, I think this one's my favorite one. It's in Feisty. Oh well, I already have this one. I'm not gonna add my blush. I'm not a big person on blush, but now I'm gonna highlight. Which should I use to highlight? Should I go for my all-time favorite, Fenty Beauty? It's in Good Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. What do I want to be? Good Girl or Chic Freak? I think I will be Good Girl. I'm a good girl, guys. Look at that highlight. Bam! That's highlight. Yeah. I haven't bought makeup in a while actually. And really, sometimes I get impulses and I want to buy like the new stuff. Like with all the beauty gurus have. But makeup is expensive. Look at the highlight. It's really expensive. And if you want to buy from Sephora, at least you're gonna waste like $100 if you just buy like a palette and like a mask or something, which is crazy. This highlight is like okay. I think I want to get another Fenty highlighter. Highlighting, bam, 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 bam. What? Okay. Face is done. So now I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to do eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow, not too much. Okay, primer is always a must. When I was younger, maybe like high school, like just like a... Okay guys, so my camera keeps dying. I had to do my other eye off camera because I don't know why it just shut off like that. So I'm just gonna finish real quick and finish before it turns off again. So I'm just gonna add the setting spray, this De-Sleek by Urban Decay. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna wear this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Hawkwind. It's this one. Really pretty color. Focus. So this one, it's a sample one. And I feel like this color is like my nude color. A little bit darker though. Okay, so I'm done. And I'm just gonna sign off before it turns off again. And so this was my get ready with me look. I already did my hair. But thank you for watching. I'll be back very soon. It will probably be a vlog. Those are fun for me. They're just hard to edit, like I said. But I hope you like my look, and this is it. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye, soon, guys. Bye.